Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. This is Shivani here. Today I am showing you how to create this very gorgeous photo book album with these lovely handmade paper flowers. And this is really very easy to create, and you can add 10 to 12 photographs inside this. So I am just showing you a quick glimpse what we are making today. So let's get started. For this we need liquid glue, foam pad, flower cutout, some water, scissor, groove gold tool and ball tool, some micro bead pearls, some inks and sponge dauber, black color sheet and some pattern papers. First I am taking this black sheet which measures 25 by 18 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing. So we need to crease on 11.5 and 13.5 centimeters. I am using my small ball tool for the creasing. Now just fold these creased parts. So the base of photo book is ready. Now I am taking one more black color sheet which measures 10.5 by 17 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 0.5 centimeters. Fold this crease. In the same way we need one more panel of the same measurement. Now I will connect these two flaps inside our photo book. So just add glue on these folded parts and connect in the center. So this is done. Now I am taking one more black color sheet which measures 10 by 8.5, and I am taking some connectors to create the pocket. So just chopping the corner. I have already added one side connector, so I am adding on two sides. Like this. Now I am taking this semicircle cutout and just tracing it on the top part of the pocket and cutting it using my scissors so that you can easily pull any tag or photograph from the pocket. So this is done. In the same way we need one more pocket. Now take back your photo book, and this first flap I am cutting from the center. And now I will add both the pockets on top of this. So this is done. Now on the next flap I'm taking one sheet which measures 21 by 9.5 centimeters and I fold it from both the sides on 2 centimeters. Now I'm adding one pattern paper on this. Then I am taking two more flaps of black sheet which measures 14 by 9.5 centimeters and from left side I have folded on 1 centimeters on both the flaps. Now just adding glue and connecting these flaps on this base. So this is done. Now I'm taking one black strip which measures 20 by 3 centimeters and we need to create a belt. So I'm just wrapping it around this and securing it. So it will work like this. I am just checking it is working well or not. Now on these 2 centimeter folded part add glue and connect with the second flap of your book. So this is done. Now I have decorated the inner parts of my book using some pattern papers. Now before adding pattern paper on outer layer, I am adding ribbon on both the sides so that we can close our book. And now I am adding pattern paper. So the basic book is ready. Now we will decorate it. So I have already prepared 3 flowers using white color sheet. I will show you how to make the shape. Just take a small square paper, fold it like this. To create flower I am taking 180 GSM white color sheet. Now I am cutting the petal shape using my scissor. Now just open this flower so you will get 8 petal flower. In the same way you can create different size of flowers by taking different square shapes. After creating this template you can just trace it on white color sheet and create the flowers as many as you want. Now I will color these flowers. For this I am taking yellow color archival ink and my sponge dauber. First I am coloring the flower from both the sides. Now I'm taking pink ink and adding this ink only in the center of the flower. Now dipping all 3 flowers in the water, take a tissue paper and soak the excess water. Now I'm taking my foam pad and from the back side of the flower using groove golf tool I am creating a pattern. So you just need to push your groove golf tool from the outer layer to the inner point. In the same way I will repeat with the remaining flower. Now just rotate your flower and tap in the center using ball tool. See how beautiful the flower is looking. Very natural. Now I am adding 2 flowers with each other, and for the center of the flowers I am using yellow color micro bead pearls. So this is done. In the same way I have created some more flowers. Now take back your photo book and I will decorate the front. So first I am adding some punched borders. Then I have this beautiful ornamental frame, and in the center I am adding this sentiment, wishing you the happiest birthday ever. I have added cardboard on the back side of the sentiment to give little dimension. Now I am arranging these flowers on top and on the bottom. Also, I am adding some leaves here and there. Like this. So this is done. Isn't it looking very pretty? I have added some sequences here and there for a little sparkle look. Now I am inserting 2 tags inside these pockets, so you can add photograph or write any message. So it's all up to you. And you can also add photographs on these flaps. I have tried to create little interactive pattern this time. I'm sure you will try this very soon. And you can just tie a knot using this ribbon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.